Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm just going to explain how to set charting alerts. So, what are the things which you have to check while creating the charting alert? And because we have a premium group for our premium scanners, so the link of the scanners which you can access what I created in my past and also I'm going to create in future, that kind of a scanners is going to upload on our premium group, so you can access the scanner with copy and edit, right? So we are mostly creating non-repeat and custom indicator scanners only. So that a direct link which is available in this group, if anyone who are interested to join the premium group, just ping me on the WhatsApp number which shown on this video. Okay, so while creating a alert for your scanner, so we need to check what type of alert you want and what type of condition the scanner it are. So for example, if you are using any Camarilla breakout, because that is what our custom indicator. So what I'm telling you, if you are using the Camarilla breakout or a day high breakout or a day low breakdown, so whatever the scanners which you are, so how to set a alert condition with charting. So for example, I will create a simple condition here. Any of that, for example, the closing price, I think right now this looks good. The close must be crosses above. So crosses above, maybe if you are using a day high, the day high can be changing each and every time. So if it is making a new high, so that time you will be getting a repaint. For example, yesterday's high. So yesterday's high or 1 day ago high. So that will be simply fetching you yesterday's high. So 1 day ago high. So if this condition or whatever time frame which you are, for example, if I'm using a 5 minutes time frame, that is bold in color. Okay, so if I'm 5 minutes time frame, so these are all the stocks which breaks the previous day high. So previous day high, it breaks, it will be showing you here in this list. For example, let me check with any stock. Instead of cash, we have a lot of stocks, so we will be adding a future. So we have a AU Small Finance Bank and Bajaj Auto, which breaks the yesterday's high in this particular. So if you are clicking this, we will be finding the chart. So yesterday's high, it is breaking on 5-minute chart. That is showing you, I think. So it is crossed above what we have used. 15 minutes close, crossed above. If you are looking at the historical data, so first is to save the scan. So you have to understand so how this alert will work. If you are checking, let's look at this. Bajaj Auto, AU Bank, same stocks most of the time. So it is repeatedly came here. So it is about to AU Bank, Bajaj Finserv. So each and every time the stock will came. So what it measures, so it is greater than the previous day high. So for example, this is what a previous day and crossed above the previous day high. So this is what a reason. So you will be getting multiple times. But the condition, the first time the condition is crossed above is in the first candle itself. So if you are looking at the back data, it will be available in the first candle also. So this is what a 915. So the same stock would be there. So same many stocks in the first candle. So it broken. Okay. So instead of that, if you are creating a alert in this, so if you create alert, so along with the 5 minutes time frame, what is your minimum time frame in the scanner that you to use to find out the alert? Okay, for example, 5 minutes. So here it must be greater than 0 and continue. If you give you continue, it will be continue every 5 minutes. It will be checking and sending you the alert. So how do you get a notification? Either email, either SMS or SMS and email, or even desktop, that will be pop up here. So if any trigger is happening in the desktop itself. So third method, we can use it in a Telegram group. So maybe how to we connect chatting to Telegram group with a third party app. So next video we can discuss about in detail how you can. So through the webhook, so you can also get whatever the alert which is on your scanner, that will be directly getting a messages into your Telegram. So you need to use an unique value. So if your unique value means if you are using this alert unique, the first time it breaks, then first time only the stock will keep if it is meeting the condition. Maybe in the first candle only you will be finding out. Or one more condition, so you can easily filter out. So the latest close, na? So instead of that, the close crossed above, we can use it just be greater than the close greater than 1 day ago high, that open less than the 1 day ago high. The open price should be less than the 1 day ago high. So let me simply, so what is in 1 day ago high line? So maybe this is what a 1 day ago high. So the stock should open below and closed above. If you are using this condition, and this will tell you very few number of stocks. You can look at this. Previously, with the first conditions, you will be getting a lot of stocks, but here it will be showing you very few number of stocks. This is what the alert conditions where you are going to set what type of alerts which you are going to set it here. The alert should be 5 minutes is the minimum time frame which in my scanner. Okay, that alert condition is my scanner is 5 minutes, so I am using 5 minutes. If you are a 15-minute scanner, you can use a 15 minutes. So this is what the alert conditions. You should be check every 5 minutes, and the value is greater than 0, and it should be the continue, and whether you want email or mobile. So it is a premium feature only, how to set it, and you should set mostly unique. So first time the breakout which is happening, that the stock would be alerted, and the next time if the same which is happening, the stock will not be repeat. So if you are using a repeat, it will be how many times it breaks the level, and it will be going to give you the alert, and or it will be going to notify you. Okay, so this way, so you can set a alert, and webhook alert which you can desktop alert, something like that, it will be showing you here in the right side corner. So like a pop-up window which came if you are any stock which triggers alert. So or else if you are making a alert, then you can also get. So same thing. So if you are using a Camarilla breakout point, so the Camarilla breakout point which is going to be triggered in any particular stocks only one time. So okay, so let me go for, I'm using a 15 minutes time frame. The close greater than Camarilla resistance for 1 day ago. Okay, so or 15 minutes close. So in this case, my condition is 15 minutes close, but you can use 1 minute also, because the Camarilla levels is fixed level. Comparing based on the previous day data, we will be getting that level. So 1 minute also you can use it. Once the unique feature if you use that, once the stock is gives you alert, next time it will not keep. So you can easily fetch at what time exactly the stock triggers the Camarilla R4. Okay, that will help you to find out such a stocks. Maybe if I'm just a Jindal Steel, so maybe that that already triggered. But if you are using R4 level, based on the R4 value, it will be fetching you the stocks. I hope you understood. Okay, so like this, or if you want to even filter out the condition in the any 15 minutes candle, the close must be greater than, and you can simply add the open must be less than, and the particular candle that breaks the R4 value, then you can easily find out with this particular condition. If you are looking at only few number of stocks at the time of R4 breakout. So today 1 o'clock, these are all the stocks which breaks the R4 level. So let me check any stocks R4 level. What is an R4? Maybe this is an R4 level around 1145. But what is the level? It is an LTP. So here it is not a plotting indicator. So let me try for Camarilla whether it is available. That's not available. So pivot point, that is also not available. So you have to check with some other data, and you can easily finding out. But this is what are values which are calculation basis we find it out. So like, so most important thing is at what time. If you are using a daily scanner, you should use a simply market close, and you can use an email and unique, and that will be at the end of the market. If you are using any daily based scanners like inside CPR, maybe or narrow CPR, or something daily based scanners, so daily chart pattern. So whatever the thing which you are using, you should simply use the market close. After the market close, you will be finding out those stock which forming such a pattern that will be reflected on the alert, and it will be sending to your email or mobile, whatever you can. You just simply finding out with this setup. So simple concept only. So some of them are asking about this the questions and doubt. So that's why this video may help you. So how to set alert. If you want repeatedly the same stock, which is every time it breaks, you should use a duplicate. Okay. So if you want to 3 times or 4 times, you can use it 3 times. Setting trigger 3 would be sent you alert only when 4 or more stocks have filtered the scan. So here 1 or 2 like that. So you can just make it 0. That will be fetching you all the stocks, and continue. That would be keep on testing. If the scan finds the stocks, you will be getting alert. So those are the simple conditions to create your scanners alert. By next video, so we can discuss about how we can get Telegram alerts. So Telegram group or your Telegram channel or even your personal Telegram also, you will be getting alert from webhook. So that we will be discuss on our next video. I hope thank you for joining, and thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for subscribing. And if you have any questions and doubt, you just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown on this video. And also if you want to join our premium Telegram group, so it is for only a scanners, charting scanners only. So if you need to get my scanners, you just ping me on my WhatsApp to join on the group. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.